It's motivated by a policy to normalise the banking system, and we have taken a number of initiatives since the start of the year to have pretty well normal banking in Ireland. We sold the contingent capital in Bank of Ireland and took the taxpayers' money out. We sold Irish Life and took the taxpayers' money out without loss. We reordered the promissory note and liquidated IBRC, which IBRC by any standards couldn't be described as part of a normal banking system. Today now we're ending the guarantee, and we're moving on very rapidly under the guidance of the central bank to ensure that persons with mortgage debt are on a case-by-case basis offered solutions to lessen the burden of that debt on them. So we're moving into a space where we'll have a normal banking system which deals normally with its customers, clients, and provides the credit lines that are necessary to grow the economy. I'm not in the business of criticising Brian Lenihan. I always regarded him as a close friend, and in the Department of Finance, you often have to make decisions in a short space of time, and you use your best judgment, and I think he was doing that. The effects of it, first of all, the decision first of all will be welcomed by the banks, because obviously we didn't act without consultation, and I presume they'll issue statements later in the afternoon welcoming this. The central bank and the NTMA were also consulted, and they support this decision. Why will the banks be welcoming it? Well, it costs the banks money. They had to pay for the use of the guarantee, and because it costs them money, when that burden is taken off them, it'll make stronger banks, because they'll be profitable first of all. There'll be less upward pressure because they won't be paying for the guarantee, so that they'll have better terms and conditions over a period of time for their customers, and they will behave like normal banks, and the pressure will be taken off. Over the period across the Irish banking system, the guarantee cost in excess of 3 billion. But that income flow came at a very big price. If you think of what has happened to the Irish banking system over the years since the guarantee, there might have been a flow to the exchequer, but the price paid elsewhere in the banking system and in the economy was a very serious price indeed. Now, in terms of, someone might ask me, does this have any effect on the budget, seeing as we were collecting fees? We were planning this since late last year, so we only built a return on the guarantee in the budget for the month of January. So we haven't built an ongoing stream of income from the guarantee into the 2013 budget at all. As a matter of fact, we're going to get 2 months more than we had planned for at budget time. But the coincidence of the promissory note issue coming to a head caused us to defer changing the guarantee for a couple of weeks.